Hello there, fellow realtors. Today we're going to walk through how we shoot our 360-degree virtual tours. Okay, first things first, make sure the home is decluttered, it's properly staged, and you've added any accents that you want to. You want to open up all of the windows, turn on all of the lights because you need as much light as possible for your camera. Next, make a plan for the shoot. Know which room you're going to start with and how you're going to proceed through the home. Make note of any features that you want to highlight in the tour, like a fireplace. When you're ready to begin, place your camera in the center of the first room. Make sure the camera's at about eye height and then turn on Wi-Fi and connect to your app. I like to use a tablet because the display is bigger than a phone and I think it's easier to see what's going on. We're using the Ricoh camera, so here we're using the Theta app. You can see that I have a preview of what the shot will look like. I can reposition the camera if I don't like it. I am in auto mode, which is down on the lower right hand corner. I'm going to stay on auto mode because I want to use something called HDR rendering. Okay, so we're all set. Now all I got to do is go hide. Let's go out of the room. Make sure I am not in the shot. And click the button. It's now downloading the image to the tablet. And there we go. There is our image. You can see that the window doesn't look so washed out. That's because we're using the HDR mode. All right, next step, simple. We're just going to pick up the camera, move it to our next room, and we'll take a shot over there. In this case, the dining room. Okay, so we've got our camera positioned. We'll go hide again and take the picture. Make sure you're out of the shot. It's really easy if you're not paying attention. You don't want to be in the shot. All right, there we go. It's downloading. And now we have our image of the dining room. We would continue throughout the house, take a picture of every single room, and then we're done. Okay, now you just rinse and repeat, shoot the rest of the house. One thing I do want to bring up, we always start with a shot of the outside of the front door. This gives the potential buyer an idea what the neighborhood is like, how the home is situated. I really don't understand why more realtors don't do that. Then in the back of the home, especially if there's a great view like a golf course or a water view, we'll take a shot there. And then we'll go down to whatever the community center is, the pool, and we'll take some shots there. Those shots I can shoot one time and then reuse for other homes in the same neighborhood. Okay, there's an overview of how we shoot our tours. The next step is to upload them to our tour hoster and actually create the tour.